Friday's market delivered another warning signal to traders. Nifty lost 155 points and closed at 24,013. Bank Nifty remained under pressure. FIIs continued their bearish positioning in index futures, and several stocks are now approaching the F&O ban threshold. But beneath the surface, we're seeing something very interesting. Institutional accumulation is emerging in select pockets while large traders are building defensive positions through options. So the big question is Nifty preparing for another leg down, or are smart money players quietly accumulating before a rebound? Let's decode the complete NSE Market Intelligence Report for June 19th, 2026. The broader market outperformed the benchmark. While Nifty lost nearly 0.64%, Nifty 500 declined only 0.27%. This indicates selling was concentrated in heavyweight stocks. Broader participation remains relatively healthy. This is not a panic market. This is a selective distribution market. Nifty weightage analysis. Together, these names control nearly 37% of Nifty movement. Current weakness in banking majors remains the biggest drag on index performance. FII versus DII positioning. FIIs currently hold index future long equals 39,587. Index future short equals 266,010. Net position, net index futures minus 226,423 contracts. This is significantly bearish. What FIIs are saying. Foreign institutions are effectively betting that upside remains limited, volatility may increase, hedging demand is rising. This is not an aggressively bullish setup. DII positioning. DIIs remain relatively neutral. No major directional conviction is visible. Professional traders, pro traders continue maintaining strong option activity, balanced futures exposure. This suggests smart money is expecting a range-bound market with volatility spikes. Options market intelligence. What options are signaling? 5 put longs, 1.15 million contracts. 5 call shorts, 940,000 contracts. This indicates current institutional view. Downside protection remains important. Upside expectations remain capped. Market participants are preparing for larger moves. Volatility may expand next week. Stocks approaching F&O ban levels. These stocks show the highest MWPL utilization. Special attention, KAYNES, already showing no fresh positions allowed. This is a major sign of speculative activity. Expect elevated volatility. Institutional accumulation tracker using bulk deal data. Several stocks witnessed significant buying activity. Aero Enter, 425,674 shares bought. Potential accumulation candidate. AGI Infra, 1.24 million shares bought. Strong institutional interest. Aquilon, 1.4 million shares bought. One of the largest bulk deal accumulations. Atal Realtek, 1.22 million shares bought, high volume smart money activity. Amber Enterprises, 241,011 shares bought. Interesting because high F&O participation, high MWPL utilization, institutional accumulation. This combination often precedes sharp moves. Sector rotation analysis. Current money flow suggests preference toward stronger segments, infrastructure, capital goods, defense-related manufacturing, select mid-cap industrials, weaker segments, large financials, private banks, index heavyweights. Nifty technical outlook. Immediate support 23,900. If broken, 23,750, 23,600. Resistance 24,100, 24,250, 24,500. Market structure. Current structure remains lower highs, lower momentum, weak institutional participation. Therefore, trend remains mildly bearish unless 24,250 is reclaimed. Option trading opportunities. Strategy 1. Bear call spread. Suitable because FIIs remain net short. Resistance near 24,100 to 24,250. Volatility expected. Strategy 2. Put ratio spread. For traders expecting controlled downside. Strategy 3. Iron Condor. For range-bound expectation between 23,900 and 24,250. This currently aligns best with professional trader positioning. Risk alerts for next week. Watch closely. Global triggers, US bond yields, dollar index, geopolitical developments, domestic triggers, banking stocks, FII, cash activity, VIX expansion, expiry related positioning. Market outlook for June 22nd, 2026. Base case 60%. Range bound market 23,900 to 24,150. Bullish scenario 20%. Break above 24,250. Target 24,500, 24,700. Bearish scenario 20%. Break below 23,900. Target 23,750, 23,600. Closing summary. To summarize today's NSE intelligence report, Nifty closed below 24,100. FIIs remain heavily net short in index futures. Smart money continues defensive positioning through options. Several stocks including Bandhan Bank, SAIL, AMBUJACEM and Amber are showing extremely high derivative participation. Institutional accumulation is visible in selected mid-caps despite broader market weakness. For next week, traders should focus on 23,900 support and 24,250 resistance. Until either side breaks, expect a volatile range-bound market with stock-specific opportunities.